If you're expecting for a new car or any vehicle, Carsized is an excellent tool for comparing vehicle sizes and specifications. It displays details like length, height, wheelbase, ground clearance, seating capacity, cargo volume, and much more. You can view vehicles side by side from different angles, front side and rear. To get started, you pick two vehicles. For example, I'll choose Toyota from the list and select the Land Cruiser. Then on the other side, I'll pick BMW and select the rather unique-looking XM. The tool shows how both look from various angles, and below that, you can compare all the specs. I was surprised to see that the XM is actually wider than the Land Cruiser. I would have guessed the opposite. In any case, Carsized is a fantastic resource for accurate, visual, and data-driven vehicle comparisons. If you're aiming to improve your fitness, MuscleWiki is a free resource that helps you discover exercises for nearly every muscle group. The homepage features an interactive muscle diagram, and you can toggle between male and female models. There's also an advanced option for viewing more specific muscles, as well as a setting for focusing on particular joints. Once you select a muscle, the site provides exercises tailored to that area, complete with video demonstrations, written instructions, and difficulty levels for each workout. Wallspic is a free platform, available as both a website and a mobile app that offers a vast selection of high-resolution wallpapers, including HD, 4K, and even 8K options for desktops and smartphones. With a library of over 100,000 images, spanning categories like nature, technology, anime, abstract art, cityscapes, animals, and more, there's something for everyone. Before downloading, users can select their preferred resolution, including options tailored for Ultra HD displays, Apple and Android devices, and widescreen monitors. Once you've made your choice, simply hit the download button. For anyone looking to enhance their screen with sharp, high-quality wallpapers, you can visit waltpic.com or use their app, available on both iOS and Android. Among the all-of-typing test websites, MonkeyType stands out as one of the best. It's a clean, distraction-free platform suitable for everyone, from casual users to competitive typists. You can tailor the experience by including punctuation, numbers, and choosing different modes like words, quotes, Zen, or even your own custom text. You can also adjust the test duration to your preference. To get started, simply start typing as quickly as you can. When you're finished, it provides detailed results including your words per minute and accuracy. If you're looking to improve your typing skills, MonkeyType is definitely worth trying. If you're a content creator working with a limited budget, Mixkit is a fantastic free resource offering a wide selection of high-quality assets. You'll find thousands of stock video clips, music tracks, sound effects, and video templates, completely free to use in your projects. Mixkit is powered by Envato, a well-known provider of premium creative assets. To get started, just head to the search bar. By default, it's set to videos, but you can switch to music, sound effects, templates, or icons using the drop-down menu. For example, searching animal videos brings up over 700 HD clips, with some even available in 4K. You can also choose your preferred download resolution. Their license is generous too. All assets are free for both personal and commercial use, and while attribution isn't required, it's always appreciated. Minimalist is a platform I find quite exciting. It aims to filter out the noise by highlighting only the most significant news stories, steering clear of typical clickbait. Powered by ChatGPT, it analyzes around 30,000 news articles daily and assigns each a significant score from 1 to 10. Articles scoring between 0 and 3 tend to be less important, things like celebrity gossip and lighter content. If that's your interest, there's a slider to focus on those articles specifically. For more impactful news, you can adjust the slider to show stories scoring between 5 and 10, helping you stay updated on major global events without unnecessary fluff or sensationalism. The site is free from ads and, importantly for publishers, doesn't generate AI summaries that can sometimes be inaccurate. Instead, it lists article titles alongside their original sources. Clicking a headline either shows you similar articles or takes you straight to the publishing site. CopyChar is a free online tool worth bookmarking if you frequently need to copy and paste special characters. It offers a simpler alternative to your computer's character map or trying to recall Unicode codes. Characters are organized into categories like letters, punctuation, math, numbers, currency, symbols, hieroglyphs, arrows, and emoji. It works across platforms including Windows, macOS, Linux, iOS, and Android. Just click or tap a character to copy it instantly to your clipboard, ready to paste anywhere. You can also click the info icon in the top right corner to view the Unicode and HTML codes for each character. Up next is archive.today, a tool I'm surprised hasn't come up before. It allows you to save a snapshot of any web page, preserving its layout and clickable links, even if the original content is later removed or changed. For example, if I enter a URL like cnet.com, the site will generate a stored version you can revisit anytime. It's more effective than a screenshot or PDF, and unlike the Wayback Machine, it usually keeps the links functional. It's especially handy for saving sources that might get updated or deleted, such as blog posts, job listings, price pages, or real estate ads. Jotti's Malware Scan is a free online tool that lets you check up to 5 files at a time, each up to 250 megabytes, for potential threats using several antivirus engines like Bitdefender, Avast, TrendMicro, and more. It works similarly to VirusTotal, which I've mentioned before, but often results in fewer false positives. You can either click the Browse button to locate files on your computer, or, as I'm doing here, simply drag and drop them into the upload area, even handling multiple files at once. It's also handy for scanning email attachments before opening them for extra safety. Keep in mind, though, that no scan is completely foolproof. Think of this as an extra layer of protection. 16 Personalities is a free online tool that helps you discover more about yourself by exploring 16 unique personality types. It offers insights into what motivates, inspires, and concerns people with your personality style. To get started, just click Take the Test at the top of the page. The assessment is available in over 30 languages and usually takes around 7 to 10 minutes to complete. Once finished, you'll receive a detailed breakdown of your personality traits, potential career paths, and an overview of your strengths and weaknesses. While the basic test is free, there are optional paid reports starting at $9 if you'd like more personalized insights. Let me quickly highlight this one. TechURLS functions similarly to TechBeam. It serves as a clean and straightforward tech news aggregator, pulling headlines from around 20 to 30 leading sources such as Hacker News, Wired, The Verge, TechCrunch, and more. I personally appreciate the site's simple design, and while most of the content is current, there are occasional delays in updates. Just the Recipe is a streamlined tool designed to extract only the essential parts of a recipe, ingredients, and instructions, without any distractions. Unlike traditional recipe websites filled with ads, pop-ups, and lengthy personal stories, this site focuses solely on what you need to start cooking. Simply paste the URL of any recipe into the provided box, or use their app on iOS or Android and click Get Recipe. You'll be presented with a clean, ad-free layout containing only the necessary details. The free version allows you to save up to 20 recipes in your cookbook, while the premium plan, priced at just $2 per month or $15 per year, offers unlimited saves and extra features. For frequent cooks, the upgrade is a great value. Thanks for watching! If you discovered more websites that you think will come in handy, don't forget to give this video a like and share it with friends. A warm welcome to anyone visiting the channel for the first time. Consider subscribing and turning on notifications so you won't miss any of our future videos in the helpful website series and other tech-focused content.